How many cars are now?
150 and that's 30. We got like 2 million.
You do it again?
Right, so 32 minus the cylinder weight, which I couldn't really do. This one only has 4 times 12 ounces. Oh, it needs 3. Well, it needs 3 pounds.
So it has 3 pounds, 10 ounces.
Okay, so go ahead, hook up to your liquid side.
Octopus, huh?
How's that doing, Miguel?
13.7 now.
Going slowly.
Yeah.
You're doing it for free?
Do you think you can do it again?
If I'm gonna do it as many times as I can.
No, I know, but like,
Nah, but you got people
Go.
sensitive to it, you know.
So how much more you got tight? Right. Open it. All the way. He's gonna do it. Courage. The
That's
yellow.
what I'm saying, that the more you do it hands-on, the
He got burnt. Definitely got burnt. And that's what his didn't do.
Yeah, his didn't let go. Wrong. Oh, nice. Let me see. You know what? Yo, that shit came out. That shit came out.
Yo,
Nah, all right. So now what do we do before we let it rip?
Yeah, eyebrows.
Before we let it rip, what do we do? We open before we let it rip. Before we let it into the high side, what do we do? We open this up. We already did. Andy first. Yep.
First, open the high side. Clear the scale.
Thank you.
Good
cow, real.
I would have figured out 20 minutes
All right, so, and let me just make sure this is plugged in good. All right, you're both plugged in good.
How's your finger?
All right, let it rip and watch.
I'm gonna get a
dry
birthday
that.
for your boo.
3 pounds, 10 ounces. So you'll slow down at about 3 pounds, 6 ounces. So go ahead, let it rip. High side only, yep.
I'm not trying to fucking put my finger next to
Look at this, flying in there. 2, 3, 4,
Oh, see, his didn't do the
5,
first.
6, 7.
Man, I should have zoomed it.
Good luck.
Actually, not let it go. You see how I let it go? I was like,
You see your finger?
huh?
You want to give it a kiss?
Close to 1 pound.
Yeah, you ever got grease and shit? That shit, I let go of that shit quick, yo. I was like, that shit was coming out fire, yeah.
Liquid coming out of that.
Yeah,
I
that-
always got burned to freaking market. Which wouldn't under the price.
something wrong. Something wrong with that cylinder.
Rip your arm off.
3 pounds.
This is the manual one, bro.
Okay.
It's all hands and shit.
How much needs to go in there?
3 pounds, 10 ounces. We're at 2 pounds.
Doesn't it have already?
No, we took everything out. Remember? We recovered.
Gonna pull it in?
It's all there.
All of them had nothing.
So when it doesn't pull it in, then how's that one, Marco? What's that one on? Oh, it's still in the same. No, no.
Because it's still sucking all the way over to the low side, too. It's going through the metering device slowly.
Not from 13.7 to 14.2.
2 pounds, 11 ounces. All right, you ain't gonna get any more. Now what do we do?
Now we have to switch over, right?
Switch over what?
Wait. Let him think.
No. Switch over what?
You gently open.
Oh no, we gotta isolate.
Those are equalized, so.
Oh, all right.
No, we're gonna go vapor, right?
Exactly.
We're gonna go through.
No, don't flip the tank.
We're gonna go through vapor now.
Yep. All right, so tell me how you would switch it over to vapor.
I gotta go on low side, right? Switch over to vapor.
Nope.
Oh, turn on the system.
Yep, but there's some steps that we have to take before you turn on the system. Otherwise, we can blow that cylinder right up and kill us all.
Isolate it.
Yep.
Isolate, then turn the system.
Isolate what though?
Good job, Rich.
The high
There
side.
you go.
Good job, Rich.
Yep. All right.
Good job, Rich.
Rich, good
Because otherwise, you know, if we had a few hundred pounds of this pumping into there, 200 pounds of pressure, boom, man, that freaking cylinder can go. All right, so that's now isolated. So we're still hooked up to our cylinder. Now we'll throttle onto the low side, keeping in mind that we still don't want to go over 3 pounds, 10 ounces. All right, so it's these two breakers.
Yep.
All right.
So we got
Throttle very slowly on the low side. Now what I want to see, Angel, is I don't want to see this jumping up more than about 10 psi. Give it a minute to equalize for a second, and let that fan come on and everything. So give it a minute.
Ours isn't going up at all.
No, it's done. It's done. So you're gonna have to suck yours in there too. All right. So go ahead. Now you can start throttling on the low side. Just nice and easy. Good. Go a little bit more. A little bit more right around there. So you got 2 pounds, 12 ounces. Go ahead. 2 pounds, 13 ounces. Pounds, 14 ounces.
Yeah, I would be before.
You gotta go to 310, right?
Yep.
It's not gonna go over.
Oh, it'll go.
Oh, you need 1 more ounce to get to 3 pounds.
Yeah, a little bit more. All right, open it up a little bit more. A little more. All right, and 16, and 3 pounds. So 3 pounds, 1 ounce. Go ahead, open it. All right, close it for a second and let it run. Good, close it right up. There you go, yep. Just let it run for a minute.
And then so it can suck some more, right?
Well, just I want to see what's going on with the pressures and let this sort of stabilize a little bit. So we're at about 60, 70 pounds, 65 pounds. Go ahead, start it again. Just a little bit. Go ahead, crack it. Just don't want that to jump more than like 10 or 20 pounds. Go ahead, a little more, a little more, a little more. Right around there, good. All right, 2 pounds, 2 ounces, 2 pounds. Go ahead, a little more. 2 pounds, 3 ounces. Almost. Go ahead, a little more. Keep going. Go ahead, a little more. 4. Good. And that's it. All right. Go ahead, close it, see what happens. There you go. Sometimes we may have to heat that cylinder. We're getting down to the bottom of that cylinder. All right, so you get 3 pounds, 5 ounces almost. All right, gotta run a second.
I forget. I keep on bring that little heater. I said it's a nice little.
Yeah, blanket, big bucket of water. Yep. Go ahead, try it again.
If you really need a heater, you just put a switch to it, right?
No, hell no.
Go ahead, open it.
Tried it?
No, you're not supposed to.
But how you know it doesn't work? Okay.
3 pounds, 5. Go ahead, close it again now.
Close.
Yep. What I'm trying to do is see how like the pressure is going up, right?
Yep.
So that means that these are equalized. So by letting this come down a little bit, it's basically now giving this time to pressure to build up in that. Then when we crack it there, that's lower. So watch how it'll suck in. Watch. Right now you're at 575. Go ahead, crack that. Crack it good. Now you're at. Keep going, crack it. 625. See what I mean? So it'll suck it up a little bit. Go ahead, open it. All right, nope. Now close it back up again. Yep. And, yep, because it seems like the cylinder pressure is somewhere around the same pressure as that. So if we can allow this to come down in pressure, the cylinder up in pressure, then all of a sudden, boom, we'll pull it. We just get a little bit more in there.
It's almost like you're tripping the cylinder.
Yep. Because we're not equal. All right, good. Crack it again. Try it. See how it pulls it in a little bit. Come on, baby. Well, I guess we're pulled in as much as we can.
Oh, no, it just jumped.
Okay, yep.
725.
There you go. Yep.
1033.
All right, crack it again. That's it. All right, yep, shut it. Shut it, let that come down just a little bit, and then crack it right up. All right, crack it. All right. You're at 7.8, good enough. You're at 7.8, there you go, good enough. All right, close that off. Let's do gauge removal. Oh no, you know what? I don't want you to do gauge removal. We're gonna leave that cylinder hooked up, but you can isolate it, shut it off. But keep it hooked up. And now subcooling and superheat. Now yours, you can turn it on, and you're gonna, did you see the throttle process? First, get the panels on though. Get the panels on that. I don't want to run that without the panels on it. All right? That
gauges?
Yep.
So is that basically what we just did? So
Grab the super heat so we can put it on the last.
You gotta, yeah.
R22